Rebecca, Dean here at Tameron Hyundai, 1 mile up from the Galleria here in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. Listen, I want to thank you for your interest on the 2018 Elantra. I actually drive a 2017 myself. I love it. I love especially the gas mileage because I drive 50 miles round trip every day. Incredible cars, great ride, very quiet. They give you a lot of stuff for your money. You get a lot of bang for a little bit of buck is what they're saying this month for our ads. But the best thing about this car is America's best warranty. Comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. But here at Tameron Hyundai, we exclusively double it to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself, good anywhere in the USA. Rebecca, my name's Dean. Give me a call at 205-380-6250. We'll talk about what you're looking for in a car because there's one thing you're going to love about Tameron. You're going to love how you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.